So far, power of levels displayed by indices as we discussed in our morning update. See, first 7520 is stronger resistance for FTSE, but yet achievable. It is achieved. 14960. This is the level we have mentioned for DAX. This is also achieved. This was the first resistance zone. US 100 15550 levels it has gone close to, and now see US 30 is at 34920 levels. So now what to expect with the US session from Tech 100 and Dow Jones, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. And yes, join the free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. Let's start. First Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Your every like and comment is highly appreciated, highly motivational. Please do like, comment. Let's start. Now see US 100 after the sharp drop stayed in this bullish channel. Now it is coming out of this bullish channel. Thus staying below the, see, this is the only level we have mentioned several times. Now 15,520 levels you can sell. However, 500, 480. Only bearishness to prevail below 480 levels where you can expect 15,5 or 15,440 levels. So first thing is a selling entry at 15,520 can be taken, but 500 first support, 480 next support, and then 440 levels will be seen. Only below 440 little bearishness will prevail. Stochastic was overbought. MACD is still in green. RSI trying to trade flat. Look at the 2-hour chart. See bullishness getting diminished. First red candle. I will wait for the next candle to start. Possibly it might try to pull the prices little down, taking it for 15,480, 440 levels. Stochastic overbought trying to drop. MACD is in green trying to converge. MACD is in red trying to converge for a bullish move. See first wave, second wave, and see if it converges, crosses over, this will call for more bullishness here. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour chart. Now look at 3-hour charts. Prices are too much divergent from the moving average. Taking the support here, it is trying to retrace 4 greener candles. Bullishness getting diminished. Now a reversal. Support is seen here at 15,480 levels and then 15,440. Very strong support exists here. Stochastic overbought. MACD is still bearish. RSI is near to top, near to overbought zone. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now look at 4-hour chart. See every candle has a meaning. One bullish candle, then retracement, and now trying to rise. Eliminate this swing candle. Now if you look at this is trying to trade in this bullish channel, I will expect it to drop if it stays below 15,520, but then 500, 480 very good support, and then 440 level, the third support levels below which it will try to turn bearish. Stochastic rising. MACD is still bearish. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at daily charts. See, candle is still green, but also you must note higher highs and higher lows are seen. Also you should note there is a support here at 15,480 levels. If it turns red and breaks below 15,440, 420 zone, treat this as a sharper breakout where one can in fact expect 15,350, 300 levels. So the critical support level for the day is at 15,440 levels, below which the bears will take over. On the upside, one can buy here at 15,560 levels. Beyond that, 15,600 is the first resistance, and beyond that, sky is the limit. Stochastic was overbought. It has tried to cool down. The MACD is still in green, trading with little divergence and bullishness, and RSI is. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 15,560, but then the first target is 15,600, very nearby, and it is a great resistance zone also. If it stays above 15,600 is where more bullishness may prevail. On the downside, I recommend you to sell at 15,520, but then as long as 15,440 is respected, you should put a trailing stop loss of 20 points. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Also, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on 11th of September. Register yourself from itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start with the Dow Jones now. Now see US 30 on the early charts. Flat bottom, rise, retrace, rise. Lower highs are seen. Flat bottom is seen. It is trying to create a squeeze out here. Now you can also see 34,850 as a great grand support. 34,850 and 830. So in this zone we may see a good support for Dow Jones, but breaking below this zone there should be sharper bearishness. Now if you look at the hourly candles, you will find lower highs, lower lows. It is still creating a flag, and a breakout above 34,920. Yes, you can buy here, but then 34,970, 34,020, 050 levels, very strong resistance exists there. Now moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence. This is bullish, and this zone becomes critical for Dow Jones, that is 840, 820 levels on the downside. The stochastic was overbought, it has dropped a bit. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI is flat. Coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, one greener candle, couple of retracement candles, higher lows, higher highs. It is still trying to trade in this bullish channel. But remember, the support here at 840, 850 is very, very strong here. I will recommend you to watch strongly as long as it respects 34,800 levels. Now see on the 2-hour charts, stochastic is definitely overbought. MACD has crossed over but trading with very little divergence and bullishness, and RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour charts, if you look at 3-hour charts likewise, you will observe, see, higher lows, higher highs, and this is still under consolidation, because see, in the near term also we are seeing double bottom levels, and with that is double bottom, it is trying to consolidate within the zone. This makes 34,800 is very special level for today. The stochastic overbought, MACD willing to converge crossover for buy, RSI is flat. Coming to 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts, lower highs, higher lows consolidating here in between 850, 920 levels, which requires a little caution. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for buy, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily, now look at daily charts. Double top or almost lower highs are done. Once it stays below 34,800, we can expect it to hit 34,740, 700 levels. Now these levels are very, very strong support levels, 740, 700. Only below 700 is where the bears will take over, and then we might see it hitting 600 levels as the next target. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 34,920 and 34,840 levels. In between these 80 points, do not take a position. On the downside specifically, wait for support at 34,800 only and only if it stays below this. Further bearishness may take for 34,740, 700 levels, and below that anyways bears are there. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 34,920, but then 970, 35,040, 020 is the first and very strong resistance zone. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.